Have you tired to stop yawning but failed to do so? Then first stop fighting it. It's not that you are disrespecting someone, but simply, it's your brain's emergency air conditioning system kicking in. When your brain gets too warm from overwork or lack of stimulation, its performance drops, and your body triggers a yawn to fix it. That deep inhale brings cool air into your system, which chills the blood heading to your brain, boosting alertness. Be honest and tell me, did you yawn watching this? Comment YW if you did. And don't forget to follow Vital Sips